So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to analyze the results of a search. Here we can see the first thing we want to take a look at is the image. And as we can see, the image on Amazon is the same as the image of the supplier. And also I have to take a look at the title to make sure that the title is the same. And in fact, I can see that it's the same title. Over here, I can see the Amazon price in each one of the marketplaces. And here is the supplier price, which is the price excluding VAT. And this is the price with VAT. The Amazon sellers tell me how many Amazon sellers I'm competing with, including how many FBA sellers, which to my mind really tells you how much competition you have. Okay, and here is the most important column, which is the unit profit. This tells me how much money I'm going to make if I sell it on, for instance, the German marketplace. So if I take a look here, I see exactly what the sales price is, what the Amazon fees are, the referral fees, etc. Here I see the unit ROI, the number of sales per month, and the profit, which is basically the multiplication of the sales per month with the unit profit. Here I have the restricted column, which tells me if the item is restricted. Here indeed I can see that the item is restricted, so I want to make sure that on Amazon I request to be ungated for this product. And finally I have the keeper graphs, which we will cover in depth in a later tutorial.